What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Flow video. This is Jacob Tucker, yours truly, back at it again to teach you all about FCL and dApp development on Flow. So, wow, that was quite the intro. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to return, more complicated data back to your client from FCL or from Cadence. So in previous videos, I showed you how to set up a little script in FCL so that we can, run a script on the Flow blockchain and return the results back to our client, and we were just console logging it. But today I'm going to show you how to, return more complicated data back to our client. So what do I mean by that? I mean like a struct, for example. So what I'm going to do is in the last video, I showed you how to set up like, syntax highlighting and all that. So we're actually going to work inside of this script and then paste the script inside this little Cadence string to return some complicated stuff back to our client, okay? So inside of here, let's say we want to return a struct, all right? So let's just declare a struct in this script. We can say public struct custom. And by the way, this whole video, I'm going to be pretty much following exactly what Max had written in his article. So as you all know, I'm following Max's articles to do these videos, and he's done an amazing job. So if you want to, read all the content I'm about to do in video format, if you want to read it in text format, go to the link in the description. It'll be there so you can read Max's articles, okay? Anyway, so, I'm going to basically be doing what he did. So we're going to make a public struct custom, and in here we're going to have a public let number, which is an integer, and then we're going to have a public let, address, which is an address, and then we're going to have a public let favorite food, which is a string, okay? And so then we're going to init this, and, obviously with all structs, I'm assuming you have some Cadence knowledge here, you're going to have to, initialize these parameters, right? So the number is going to be an int, the address is going to be an address type, and the favorite food is going to be a string, okay? And so let's just say, self.number equals number, right? Self.address equals address. And look, we're getting all that nice, syntax completion as well. So tab equals favorite food. Love that. And boom, now we have a struct. So what we can do is we can actually return a custom here. And, Cadence will know what this is because we defined it right above, okay? So inside this main function now, we can return a custom struct. And if we click tab, it'll even open it up for us, which is awesome. And we can type in some stuff. So let's type in 1. Let's type in OX01 for our address, right? And for our favorite food, let's just type in, I don't know, I'm going to put like Chipotle or something, okay? I ate Chipotle earlier today. So Chipotle. What the heck is Chipotle? Okay. Yeah, cool. So cool. So we're returning that, and hopefully this should work. So what we can do is we can go ahead and copy all of this and put it in our Cadence, string right here, because this is the function we're going to be running to return stuff back to our client, right? So if we go back to our application here, refresh this page, go to inspect and console. If we do print result, we should see that it returns an object with a number, address, and Chipotle. And so, of course, if we wanted to, we could even destructure these arguments and say const number, address, and favorite food, equals response, because the response is the object that we were just printing, right? That gets returned up here. And if we do that, then we could return, or console.log name is name, right? And do the same exact thing, or sorry, number is the number. We could do that for the other two as well. So address is the address, and favorite food is the favorite food, right? So if we go ahead and run this again, let's refresh the page and click on print result, we get them all right here. Woohoo, we did it. That's how to return more complicated stuff back from our script, and hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.